Okay, so this is how you do geometric series. So the first problem, we're gonna start off with like 3 different levels. This is the easy one. Where's the answer? Okay. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series, which is 2 plus 4 plus 8, and then they don't give you the rest. We're gonna be using this equation the entire time, so remember this equation. Okay, so first you're gonna identify the very first term, which we're gonna use A, and then the common ratio, which is R. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna divide the second term by the first term, so 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So that's your common ratio. And then your very first term is obviously 2. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use this equation and plug in these numbers. So since you're trying to find the fifth term, you're gonna do S5, which equals 2 times 1 minus 2 to the fifth, because you're, again, trying to find the fifth term, and you are using the common ratio. And you're going to divide that by 1 minus the common ratio, which is 2. And then from there, you're just going to solve that equation, and you end up with negative 62 over negative 1, and you get S, the fifth term, is 62. Now, we're going to move on to a medium problem. Okay. So the first term of a geometric series is 5 and the common ratio is 2. What is the sum of the first 4 terms? So they don't give you any of the terms, they just give you the first term and then the common ratio. So you're gonna write this out. The first term is 5, the common ratio is 2, and this little number right here, since you're trying to find the fourth term, it's 4. So you're gonna do S4 equals 5 times 1 minus 2 to the fourth divided by 1 minus 2. And you're gonna end up with S4 equals 75 when you actually solve this equation in your calculator. Okay, we're gonna move on to a hard problem now. So the second term is, we're gonna use AR, which is 6, and then the fifth term is AR to the fourth, which is 162. So the second term is 6 of a geometric series, and the fifth term is 162. Find the first term and common ratio. So we're going to use, again, AR and AR to the fourth. So AR to the fourth divided by AR equals 162 divided by 6, because they gave us those numbers in the problem. And you're going to solve this out, so you get R to the third equals 27. And from there, the common ratio is 3. And then what you're going to do is you're going to substitute R equals 3 into the equation AR to find the first term. So A times 3 equals 6, and A equals 6 divided by 3, because you subtract or divide 6 from both sides, and you get A equals 2. And that's basically how you do a geometric series.